Hi guys, welcome to Cheryl's Home Cooking.
Did you put the water in first?
You need to hit the button that's up like this.
Okay. Okay, wait a minute, pumpkin.
You
Wait.
need to do that.
There's the smoke.
You have to shake it.
Oh, wow. Now we're grilling.
And I will get the food. Ready? What do you want?
I will have a hamburger.
I'm right. Coming right.
We got to put the charcoal in to make the grill. Okay. And I will have that hamburger because that looks delicious. Mia's putting the hamburger together.
Oh, I know. Put it on the grill.
Yeah, let's smoke it a little bit.
Some corn on the cob.
I think I'll have an onion too. Ooh. That's going to be so
Do you want
delicious.
everything?
Yeah, I guess I will have everything.
Chicken and the last things.
Because I am really hungry.
Now let's close that.
Whoa.
Smoking.
That grill is very, very hot, so be very careful.
Now I need
Wow.
to open it.
Holy cow.
Now I'm going to do some more. Ready, set, jump. I did it.
Yes, you did. Be very careful. That grill is nice and toasty. It's smoking. I think you can get my plate. I think my cheeseburger's done.
Alright, I'll be very careful.
Be very, very careful.
I need to get something close.
Okay, hurry up, Mia. My hamburger's burning.
I'm coming. I'm saving your hamburger.
Oh, thank you.
There's the stove.
Yep.
Now I need to set up the food.
Can I try that delicious cheeseburger?
After I get a plate. Only my gloves are on. Okay.
Yeah,
Now let me get a plate too.
because that cheeseburger's hot.
What color do you want?
I will take the red. Ooh,
Go.
thank you so much. Ooh, the bread's nice and toasty. Wow.
I hope you enjoy it.
Ooh, nice and toasty. Look at
I
that.
hope you enjoy it.
Oh, I will. Here's the plate. I'm all done. That was so
Let me go wash.
delicious. I love that cheeseburger.
Alright, now I can put more. You want 2 onions done?
Yeah, I feel like an onion.
You guys get out of the way. Go do the dishes. I won't take that one. 'Cause she's saying-
Those onions look so tasty. I love grilled onion.
And onion.
Yeah.
2 onions.
Okay. Okay, give me the plates. I will eat them. Whoop. Gotta watch your grill there. The grate. You gotta fix it. There. Alrighty.
Now, I hope you enjoy.
I will really enjoy that onion.
Wait, I'll put it together.
Okay.
And in a blue plate, and you can cut it.
Okay.
I hope you enjoy.
I will. Oh, it smells so
Wait,
good.
you need to cut it.
There. Oh, good thing I cut it in half so I can eat that.
You want a cup of water?
Um.
You want a cup of water?
No, thank you.
No,
Here's the plate. I'm all done the onion.
This is all we have to drink.
Okay. Some nice water.
Don't drink the whole thing.
Mmm.
Drink it. I actually drink it, okay?
Okay.
I'm just so thirsty.
Say thanks for watching.
Wait, no, not yet.
Why?
Because I want to make something for me.
Okay.
And I'm going to make something for me.
What are you making?
I need some of that. And thank you. So, we are making, I'm super hungry, so I'm going to make everything we have. I mean,
That steak looks delicious.
hamburger and onion. What? Why is it not burning?
Maybe it's out of water. Mmm. I can really smell that steak. I think it's done, honey. Mmm.
My cheeseburger is done.
Yep.
I'm done?
Yeah.
And the other one to go. The corn.
The onion's done. That was really hot. You want me to fix the grate? It's probably really hot.
Fix the glue. But be careful, it's hot. You can fix it with these.
I will. I will fix it with that.
So whenever I break it, you're gonna fix it.
Yes.
You're gonna fix it.
Yeah, don't touch that because that grill is very, very hot. Okay, so now we'll put the rest of the food on it.
And now I need a squirt of this.
No.
There's no water in it.
Okay, this is how you do it. Wait a minute.
I need this.
You gotta squeeze it and then suck it up in the cup.
do I put it on the food?
No, I will show you. I'm gonna take this grill off.
I gotta do this.
This little tab comes up. It's hard to get out. Okay.
Cold.
Then you fill it with
Very
water.
cold.
See, it's filled with water.
Let's put these
Let's put the grill back.
hot, like,
Oh, it's cold. We need the cold.
alright. Now, let's get that corn. And now I
Give it a little shake. Give it a few minutes. Give it a few minutes. Now try it. Bless you. Bless you.
I didn't see
I think camping outside is getting to you. It's a little chilly. Is it cold outside? Should we get the fire? Yeah, we need the fire here so we can warm up our hands. Yeah. Let's put it over here in front of the camera. Right here. Yeah. Ooh, this is so nice and toasty. There you are. Okay, we're gonna go camping for now. We'll see you guys next video.
No, it's not gonna. See you next video. Bye.
Come over here and say it. You're off camera.